Today has been all about chilling, just like all the other days here in Dharamsala / Mcleod / Bhagsu / Dharamkot. I don't know the names of all places we visited, but yeah, it's like small cities just next to each other. So now we're going out for dinner on a rooftop and a couple of drinks, and then we'll see what happens. Just gonna take it easy. Here's the gang. Yeah, that's just the car driver talking to us. Hey, I'm coming. Get out of the way. This guy too. Yeah, I hear you. Let's keep on going. Hello. A nice sunset, but then we have this
Oh no!
that destroys the picture totally. But
Sorry about that.
we're done at the rooftop, and we're making our way to the next spot. We didn't eat anything on the rooftop, so we're gonna grab something to eat, I think. It's coming. Here he is.
Hello!
Hello.
Paul man. Where are we going? I don't know where the fuck it is, mate. What's your name? I'll figure it out.
Rooftop gang.
Rooftop. Woo!
The elevator will probably be late. Yeah, this is good. Music was too loud down there.
Yeah, it was too loud.
Yeah, there's like no people. Want to check out the other one first?
Yeah, we didn't talk to anyone in there.
It's the yoga master.
No, it's like dropping down, so I can't.
Yeah, it's very steep. That's why.
Yeah, but I'm still doing it.
Yeah.
Always looking out, fam.
Yogi.
Is it in there?
Yeah, in here. Crazy guy working here. He's awesome. Wow, full house today.
Pretty fucking packed, man.
Yeah.
I think we'll have to like sit opposite those guys or something. Or like...
Yeah, we can.
Oh
almost 8 years.
Look who I met.
So-
It's crazy. New friend Adam.
Hey, it's me again.
It's me again, yo, man.